YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat, and today I have my Boxycharm unboxing, and I did open it because I was so excited to get it, and then I forgot I need to film this. So I do know what's in the box, but I do like what's in the box. I did my eyebrows with the eyebrow pen that came in the box because doing my eyebrows on camera would have taken forever, so I just wanted to cut that step out. But I did do my eyebrows, and we are going to try on the other products. So this is the Boxycharm box. I did tear into it, so let's go through it. So I got this $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. You get 0.009 ounces or 0.27 grams, made in China, 12-month expiration date, does not say if it's cruelty-free or not. You do get a nice spoolie with it. And then this is what the pencil looks like. It's not like a micro thin pencil like an Anastasia Brow Wiz. It does have like a little bit more. It's a little bit wider, and I like pencils more like this. Yeah, the only thing I'm wondering if this is saying universal brow color. This is like a medium brown color, and this would definitely not work for someone who is a redhead, or if you have, you know, platinum blonde hair. This really wouldn't work for you. So I don't understand when companies do universal brow colors. I know It Cosmetics has their universal taupe color, and I think that's crazy. You need different brow colors. One size does not fit all with brows. Definitely not. So the next thing I have is this Briogeo Roco milk. It's coconut milk leave-in conditioning spray. This stuff is really good. It smells really good. It detangles my hair. It leaves it soft. I really like Briogeo. I like their mint scalp detoxifying deep clean cleansing system. The shampoo, I think it's a shampoo and a conditioner. I really like that. I had a little deluxe sample of them, and I want to pick up the full size of them. I really want to start using, like, because I know they say, even though it's so fun to you know, shower up and lather with bubbles, they say that's really bad and drying to your hair. And I've been color treating my hair since I was 14, 15. My parents let me dye my hair pretty young, so my hair is very damaged. I do have a lot of it, thank goodness. I have the thick Asian hair, but yeah, it is very damaged, and I do need to repair it, which I am in the process of. Okay, the next thing we have is this long-lasting liquid lipstick in Havana Nights from Ofra. This is what it looks like. Focus. It looks like in the tube it's like a brick red. Let's swatch it. I've never tried anything from Ofra, really. Okay, that looks like it'll be pretty. That is the swatch, and I'm going to try this on. Let me grab a mirror. Okie dokie. So let's plop this baby on the lips. This is a perfect fall color. Or I guess we're into winter now. But this is definitely one of those perfect cold weather colors. I haven't mastered the art of being able to talk and put on lipstick yet. Okay. Very pretty color. It's not patchy or anything, which I like. Okay, that's what it looks like. I really like that you don't need a lip liner to apply it. I think the only plastic surgery I would ever get is maybe lip injections, and I mean like really tiny, because I just want to, my top lip is, this side is a little bigger than that one. I don't think I'll ever do it, but that's like the only plastic surgery procedure I've ever thought about doing. I'm not against it, but I'm a wuss, and I don't like going under the knife and being cut up. It's not bad when you get out of surgery that day. It's the next day when all the anesthesia and all the fun stuff wears off, and then you are in pain, and then you have to remember to take those gnarly painkillers, and they don't agree with my stomach a lot. So I remember when I had my wisdom teeth, ugh, the painkillers didn't agree with me, and it's not fun to throw up when you've just had your wisdom teeth out. That was a little bit too much TMI, but just wanted to let you know that for some reason. So that is the lipstick. It is very pretty. It is definitely a color I will wear again and again. And I'm just going to let it dry down, and we'll do the kiss test and see how it lasts. Okay, we have two more things. We have two masks from Tatcha. We have the Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. For normal to dry skin, I could really use these. My skin has been feeling so dry recently. So let's see, what's the benefits of these? A blend of lightweight rice germ oil derived from the most nutrient-rich portion of rice, and a high concentration of botanical oils and extracts leave skins velvety, smooth, dewy, and luminous. The delicate microfiber sheet intensely drenches the skin with 20 milliliters of hydrating serum. The mask feeds skin with our signature trio of Japanese anti-aging superfoods, green tea, rice, and algae, to help restore skin's youthful radiance. Okay, and yeah, this looks very interesting. I've wanted to try the Dewy Skin Mist. I've heard it's really good for people with dry skin. This is non-irritating, non-sensitizing, dermatologist tested. I don't know if they're cruelty-free. I think they are. I could be wrong. Formulated without mineral oil, paraben, synthetic fragrances, sulfate detergents, phthalates, urea, DEA, or TEA. Okay, I know what some of that stuff is, but that's cool that they're trying to make like healthier skincare. I did watch Dr. Dre. She's a dermatologist on here, and I'll link the video below. And she was talking about how some stuff from Tatcha is really good and some of the stuff is really bad, like the water cream, which I really like. And if you actually really look at the ingredients, there are some ingredients that shouldn't be in there. But, yeah, she's a very interesting doctor, and she kind of believes of the no-frills, approach to keeping your skin young, which is basically sunscreen, 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 and then other preventative measures. So I will leave her channel, and I'll leave that video that she talked about Tatcha in the link down below. Okay, the last thing we have is from Tarte. I wish I think it's the volume 4 or 5. I'm gonna write them and see if they can send me that one, because it's like these beautiful pinky peachy colors, and this one is nice, but it's not exactly my cup of tea. And I do own a lot of these colors. So this, very shiny. This is what it looks like. So again, the same problem you kind of have with Tarte. Some of the colors look the same, and yeah, you're not going to get a lot of looks out of this. You only get one matte, which is pretty close to my skin tone. It's right there. I'll do another layer of it so you guys can see it better. That's it right there. Didn't really help. And then the rest are all shimmers. I'll swatch those too. Let me get my rag. I got some of that lipstick on my hand, and interesting. The swatch did not dry down all the way. Let's do the... Okay, so it's not 100% budge proof, but it's going to be budge proof enough where you're not going to be worrying about this slipping and sliding all over your face, which is good. Okay, let's swatch the rest of these. They don't feel like the creamiest, butteriest shadows. They are saying that these are limited edition ones. I think it's just the packaging that's on top, which is gorgeous. I love that. It kind of looks like a peacock feathers. Very Art Deco. Okay, so there are some of the colors, and as you can see, a lot of them look very similar. Okay, let me do the rest. So that was this one, this one, this one, and this one are, oops, piece of plastic fell. So these first 4 are the ones I did, and now I'm going to do these 3 shimmers. Okay, so that is the last 3 shimmers. So you do get some shimmers that I do feel like are repeats. You have like 2 champagne-y, like this one and this one kind of seems a little bit similar, and on the eye focus, on the eyes they're gonna look the same, and this one is gonna kind of like look the same like that. Then in the back you have another bronze color, you have a bronzy color here, you have that dark color there's only one of, and then here you have like another it's a lighter bronzy gold color. So the colors are very similar. They're gonna look all the same on the eyes. Yeah, I know they sell it on the Boxycharm site, so I might see how many points I have and pick it up, or I know tomorrow they're releasing some ColourPop palettes in the store that I'm interested in picking up, so we'll see what I decide to do. Or if anyone watching this would like to trade, I have no problem with that. I don't care if you swatched it and used it to do a demo once and you decide you don't like it. Let me know in the comments if you got that palette and you don't want it. And if you are interested in Boxycharm, it is $21 a month. And then every 3 months they have the Boxy Luxe. So that is going to be $21 plus an extra 28, I believe. And you can get on the wait list now, I think, for the next one. And then once you get that first box, you are off the wait list, and you are automatically gonna get the box if you choose to every third quarter if you want to. I do have a code with Boxycharm. I do not get any money from it. If you would like to use it to sign up for Boxycharm, I would really appreciate that. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you do use it, we both will get points to use towards the store, and they usually send both of us a high-end product. I did get a Dr. Brandt exfoliating scrub for someone signing up in my using my link to sign up. So if you would like to use it, go ahead. If not, you don't have to. I don't make any money off of that code, so it's just, you know, to get some more free products and get some points to buy some free makeup. So that's, you know, really I think more fun than getting money, because the money is going to go towards makeup anyways if I got it. So yeah, let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month. Were you disappointed? Did you like what you got? Are you gonna sign up for the Boxy Luxe for March? It's gonna be March, yeah, January, February, March. So in March will be the next Boxy Deluxe or Boxy Luxe. So yeah, I will leave all links down below. Leave me any comments if you like, and I will see you guys soon with another video. I am going to shoot a video using all of the products from my Boxy Luxe video. That unboxing took so long, so I will shoot a video using those products. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one, YouTube. Have a good night. Bye.